Boy, Southern Smoke Boss back at it again. So today we're gonna be doing this cook outside a nice Merlin blue crabs. The Merlin blue crabs. So I got me some Merlin blue crabs. I got me some shrimp and crab boil, and I got me a 16-ounce boil like this. So I already got my water pretty much boiling pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead, pour my beer in here. Hey, so thanks for checking out this video, man. Hey, if you ever in the Hampton Roads area, I suggest you guys go down to Graham and Rollins and get you some of these blue Merlin crabs while they in season right now. Hey, be sure to go over to my Instagram and check me out at Southern Smoke Boss. Peace out.